I want to take a moment to introduce you to someone truly remarkable, my good friend, Kandace Wilson. Kandace is an incredible, gifted artist, photographer, designer, and hairstylist. Her creativity knows no bounds. I had the pleasure of attending her Jailbreak pop-up event at the Swing Door Studios in Redondo Beach last October. It was such a fun experience. I even got several fun photos taken by her during the event. Her artistic talents are simply awe-inspiring, and she has an exceptional ability to capture moments in the most unique and captivating ways. Whether it's through her photography, artwork, or hairstyling skills, Kandace has a natural talent for making every project she touches come alive with creativity and beauty. Kandace's expertise shines through her work, especially when it comes down to capturing memorable moments. Whether you're in need of family photos, headshots, kid portraits, senior portraits, or even glamour shots, Kandace specializes in all of these areas. Her artistic eye attention to detail ensures that every photo session results in stunning images. What sets Kandace apart is not only her immense talent, but also her friendly and approachable nature. Working with her is a breeze. She takes the time to understand your vision and goes above and beyond to make sure you feel comfortable throughout the entire process. With the holiday season just around the corner, now is the perfect time to consider booking Kandace for any photography services you may need. Trust me when I say she will capture those special moments with utmost professionalism and creativity. Feel free to reach out to Kandace directly at 805-801-5290 or check her website at swingdoorsstudios.com. You won't be disappointed.